Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Hub of Knowledge Mac. Friends, I got a request on comment box for making effective video on red bin analysis. So friends, today I am going to teach you about red bin analysis. During this session, I will be cover what is red bin analysis, steps for conducting red bin analysis and advantages of red bin analysis, and how to make red bin analysis record in Excel sheet, and how to make red bin analysis team attendance record sheet. So please let me continue this video till end. दोस्तों, अगर आप डिग्री या डिप्लोमा करने के बाद कुछ सालों तक जॉब नहीं कर पाते हैं तो आप हमारा ट्रेनिंग कोर्स ज्वाइन करने के बाद अपना करियर रीस्टार्ट कर सकते हो और अपने आप को एक्सपीरियंस होल्डर शो कर सकते हैं। हमारे यहाँ से ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद कैंडिडेट का IQ लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाता है और कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप हो जाता है, क्योंकि सभी ट्रेनिंग प्रैक्टिकल व थ्योरेटिकल पढ़ाई जाती हैं और साथ में इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन भी करवाई जाती है। अगर आपको स्मार्ट स्किल डेवलप करके करियर में ग्रो करना है तो प्लीज़ स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें और हमारा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर ज्वाइन करें। आफ्टर गेटिंग ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम आवर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर, कैंडिडेट कैन बिल्ड अप हिज स्मार्ट स्किल्स फॉर क्रैकिंग इंटरव्यू एंड कैन गेट ए गुड जॉब इन गुड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। फर्स्ट, लेट वी डिफाइन व्हाट इज रेड बिन एनालिसिस. Red bin analysis is the art of problem solving in manufacturing industries through quality control team. It focused on problem occurrence detection and solve the problems at sources of generation, or we can say sources of occurrence. Basically, red bin analysis is a problem solving method which focused on to identify causes of problems oblique defects and eliminate these causes by taking corrective action at sources of occurrence. Next one, let's discuss process steps of red bin analysis. Make the quality circle, it will be cross functional team. Second one, red bins for collection all defected parts from all machines or operations. We have to put red bin on all machines for keeping defected parts during operation. Third one, collect all defected parts generated during operation in a common red bin. Fourth one, decide the time of red bin, it may be end of the shift or mid of the shift. Fifth one, make attendance sheet for CFT present during red bin. Sixth one, pick the defected parts one by one from red bin for analysis and for find out causes of defects. Seventh, decide corrective actions with target date. Eighth one, note down all defects and corresponding corrective actions in red bin analysis sheet. Last one, follow up the effectiveness of actions after implementation of corrective actions. So friends, these are steps for conducting red bin analysis. Let's discuss advantages of red bin analysis. First one, it helps for continual improvement. Second, prioritize the defects for solving at the source of occurrence. Next, it is CFT approach for describe ideas of problem solving. Next one, it helps to motivate the team. Next, it helps to reduce scrap. Next, it helps to control quality defects. It also helps to control customer complaints. It helps to reduce cost of poor quality. Next one, it helps to take suggestions of employees in KAIZEN form. These are advantages of red bin analysis. Next, red bin analysis by CFT in shop floor. Here, red bin analysis by CFT in shop floor. Here, CFT finding the causes of problems for taking effective corrective actions to prevent the reoccurrence of problem oblique defect. Here, concerned CFT person note down the all defects and their causes and their corrective actions decided by cross-functional team with target date. Friends, if you need to grow in your career and need to build up a smart career, you can join our documentation training center Hub of Knowledge Make. This is our advanced documentation training course template. Here we cover all topics with practical and theoretical, and more other technical topics will be cover that will be out of this template. Friends, we are providing live classes online and offline. Friends, if you watching ready-made paid videos, then no use for it, because by watching ready-made paid video, doubts are not clear, so don't waste time and money. So please join our live classes online as well as offline. The main objective of Hub of Knowledge Make Training Center providing training, placement and development of career. Here, this is the red bin analysis summary sheet, the month of February 2021. Here serial number, here date and problem. It will be new or repeated. Rejection quantity, part name oblique model, reason of occurrence and corrective actions, responsibility, target date and ORC, open, resolve, close. ORC stand on open, resolve and close. And after implementation of corrective action, we have to check effectiveness, first week, second week and third week. It will be in the form of OK and NG. So let's example. First date 2 February 2021. Problem is BUR. It is a repeated problem. Rejection quantity 20 and part name flange. Reason of occurrence, punching tool wear out, and corrective action decided by concerned person and CFT, punching tool to be resharp. Responsibility tool room. Target date 3rd Feb 2021 and ORC status is close. And effectiveness of implementation corrective actions OK, second week में भी OK है, third week में भी OK है. Next one problem is part mix up. This is the repeated problem. Rejection quantity is 3, part is guide rail and reason of occurrence NG, part mixed due to operator mistake. Corrective action on job training to be given to operators. Responsibility production supervisor. Target date 3rd Feb. ORC status is close and effectiveness is OK. Third week may be OK and in last week is OK. Next one problem is black patches on part surface. Problem is new. Rejection quantity in 22 and part mirror plate and reason of occurrence dirty gloves used by operators. Corrective actions glove changing frequency twice in a shift has been decided. Responsibility production supervisor. Target date 3rd Feb and ORC status is closed. Effectiveness is OK, OK and third week is OK. So friend, this is the red bin analysis summary sheet. Now we have to make a red bin analysis team attendance sheet. This is the daily attendance sheet for red bin analysis team. Month February and time 4:30 PM. Here name of CFT Rakesh, Lakhan, Sanjeev, Dharamveer, Sukhveer, Ratan, Satish. Department quality, tool room and product. Date 1/2/31. So all are present 2nd February and 1st February. So this is the attendance record of red bin analysis team. So friends, I hope you guys are understood how to conduct red bin analysis. Thank you. Friends, if you join our complete advanced training course as shown in template, then job guarantee is 100% after completion of training course. If any guys interested, can contact on the number given on screen.